Hey guys, today I'm gonna unbox my first MacBook of my whole life. I decided to switch to the Mac OS because I heard and reading about the Apple MacBooks awesomeness and luxury design with a big battery performance and fastest working of Mac OS. So this one is a MacBook Air 2020, which integrates Apple M1 chip, system on a chip, which produced and developed by Apple. Also, it integrates the CPU, GPU input and output and a neural engine into one tiny chip. Here are some of specifications in future. This one is 13.3 inch MacBook Air with a 2560 by 4040 resolution, which refers to 2K resolution, 8-core CPU, which have a 4 performance core and a 4 efficiency core, and 7-core GPU and 16-core neural engine. Okay, let's open it. See what it's in the box. So I decided to get the silver one, which is classic and more luxury design, minimalistic design. There is two more colors, gray one and a gold one, which is new in Apple MacBooks 2020. So here we go. Look at this awesomeness. Just big, amazing with this MacBook. Super lightweight, only 1.28 kilograms, which you can go anywhere with this one. So we have a Type-C port for charging, user manual, and quick start guide, and Apple stickers. Type-C charger, Turing-Watt USB-C power adapter. Okay. Here we go. I like it so much. Minimalistic design. Oh yeah. Display is awesome.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
So, Assassinate 13.3-inch Retina display with a 2K resolution and a True Tone feature, which enables as a night mode color preference to not hurt your eyes, just like a blue light filter, something like this. So we have backlight on the keyboard, big touch pad to control everything with your hand. So it has a 720p resolution of camera, integrates the microphone to communicate with other people with no problem and good quality. So this one has a 8 gig of RAM and a 256 SSD storage, which is a basic one. I prefer the Macbook Air because it's less money than a Pro version, and it's enough for me for a start of Apple MacBook world. So let's quick set up this laptop. Okay, I connect later. You can transfer information from another Mac or even a Windows PC. This is the setup which you need to do. Okay. Doing the waiting. So there is a 2 ports USB Type-C Thunderbird port which you can charge Macbook. There is a 3.5 headphone jack and nothing more. Minimalistic design, which is awesome. For setup, you know, every time is more slowly. So this one have a touch ID like on iPhone devices. Here is the touch ID sensor, and I configure my finger scan unlock device. There is a look. I choose the LED version, and here is the True Tone display feature. With True Tone we have a warmer display color which reduce the light point display to not hurt your eyes. As I said, as blue filter. Okay, here we go. This setup of first installation is successfully. So Apple says it can last up to 11 hours of battery. This one with M1 chip does not have a fan, it's silent. just PC without fan. There is no noise. It's awesome, which Apple developed, and see, it's a very fast according to the basic version of Macbook Air 2020 with 8 GB of RAM. So guys, hope you enjoyed my unboxing video of my first MacBook. Hope you enjoy to see my video, and like it if you want, and see you next time.